NodePay have finally released the full eligibility criteria for the forthcoming token generation and airdrop. And from their official channel, it said your guide to TGE, how to secure your first ever NodePay airdrop. So we are hoping and believing that NodePay will airdrop their token this month, and also listing will be taking place. But here they've given us a breakdown of the checklist to make sure you are ready to claim your shares of the token. Now, the first eligibility criteria we have here is the to connect your Solana wallet. As we all know, tomorrow happens to be the last day for you to be able to connect your Solana wallet. So if you are yet to do that, I will advise you to quickly, as much as possible, to connect your Solana wallet. And if you have problem connecting your Solana wallet, check the link in the comment section of this video. I prepare a video to guide you on how to connect your Solana wallet so that you can be eligible for the airdrop. Then another criteria for their airdrop is you need to confirm that you are human. So for you to do that, you have to earn this badge, this medal in your account, which is earn your proof of humanity medal. So they are trying as much as possible to remove both from the system so that there will be even distribution and fairness in token distribution. And for you to be able to confirm to earn this medal, you need to come to your NodePay. When you come to your NodePay, locate medal and boost here, as you can see. So when you click, then just scroll down, you're going to see the proof of human. As you can see from here, this is proof of human. I have earned the medal. If you click it, you discover that I've actually you can see task complete 3 of 3. So then you come here and proof and claim your proof of humanity medal. So that's the second criteria for airdrop. Then the third criteria is for you to make sure you have accumulated points for the season 0 and season 1 of the of NodePay. So the first airdrop, according to them, is based on the points you've accumulated from season 1 and season 2. And for you to get that, you can come to your earning section. You see earning section, you can see. So when you come to your earning section, you are going to see the points you've been able to accumulate. You can see here season 0 and season 1. So season 0 and season 1 will actually be what will be calculated to form your token allocation. And when you come there, you're going to see the points you've been able to accumulate here. And if you participated in season 0, you're going to see there. So those 2 points what will be calculated to generate your token allocation. At least you must participate in one, either season 0 or season 1. One of it is very, very crucial. Then the fourth criteria for airdrop, according to them, they have a small amount of Solana ready. So to confirm airdrop transaction, you need a tiny amount of Solana for gas fee. So these people have actually simplified. They are not creating room for any form of speculation by anyone. So they are telling us point blank that you need a Solana gas fee in your wallet. So I'm going to show you now how it's going to be. So this is my Solana wallet. So you can see here, I always have Solana here as my gas fee. So I always keep it there to use it as gas fee. So when you are transacting on Solana wallet, you always need a gas fee. That's why you don't need to spend all your Solana balance in your Solana wallet. $1 or $2 worth of Solana, it will be enough for you to do your transaction. At least $2. Let me put it that way. At least $2. So then the last thing you need to do here, according to them, it says stay safe. Only click link from official NodePay channel. So there are a lot of people that want to scam you, that want to just be sending and not suspecting links to you. Beware of those links and only click on NodePay official link. And then when you see any fishy link, according to them, they said to report to them. I believe these have actually answered all your questions. It says stay ready. Note the airdrop is just around the corner. Let's make history together. To what? Together. So NodePay airdrop is coming. So do well to like, subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, there are other airdrops, testnet and mainnet airdrops that we are currently running. Check the link in the description of this video to join those airdrops. They are like Grass and NodePay, so don't miss out on them. And more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. A lot of things are happening in my Telegram channel. See you next time for more exciting updates.